These are nice West African dwarf goats mixed. If you can see, this is kind of taller. Yeah, so this is a pure West African dwarf black goat. This is a brown one. Goat rearing is beautiful. Look how it's doing his mouth, eating, always eating. Pregnant goats. This is smoked eating, always eating. Goats and food are 5 and 6. They love eating so much, but you can't hate them. And they are stubborn animals. These stubborn goats leaving the feed to another place. Eh? These are goats. Goats farming in Nigeria. Beautiful goats. This free range goats farming. Left in the backyard to work.